Hello, this is Catchy. Welcome to my channel. So, as you can see by the title in this video, I'm going to clean up my closet, and I thought this might be a good opportunity to also show you my closet and show a bit of my clothes. And if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe and become a catcher. But besides that, let's start the video. Okay, well, now I think it's the perfect time to show you my closet. Not the rest of the room because it's a bit dirty, but the closet. Let's take a look at it. And you might notice it is a walk-in closet. So, that's the entrance right here. The parts over here aren't my clothes. As you might see, these are the clothes for my boyfriend. But my part is basically the rest of the closet. So, on top here, there are, the winter clothes and the clothes for fall. Right here, there's more like summer, spring, and the part over here from that part to the end is just dresses. So there are really a lot of dresses. Then let's go down to the drawers because there are a few more. So here's the first one, and here are basically just skirts and shorts, but as you can see, there isn't really a system anymore. It's like too much clothes and not really anything organized. So let's close that. Here I have pants and more pants, and I also can't really close that drawer either. So that's the goal for today. Here I have like scarves and some gloves and all that kind of stuff. And at the bottoms there's just basically just the rest, like bikinis and old clothes which don't really fit into any organizational kind in my closet. Well, that's the point for today. That's the goal. Try to clean everything up. And let's take a look up here. Do you see that there are still those like big hangers? Well, I ordered a few new ones that look like the ones right here. So those are really thin and they have that soft part so the clothes aren't falling off. And I have a whole new box with like 100 more of them. So that's another thing I'm going to do for today. I'm going to change all my hangers. So let's get started. So just that you know, there is still another drawer that is full with basically all chilled clothes, and that's right here. So another thing that needs to be considered. Too much clothes. I definitely have too much clothes. That have been a lot of clothes, and just to show you how much clothes, take a look. There is a bed underneath this whole yeah, mountain of clothes. Finally! It's a wrap, everyone! Woo! That was it for the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.